Hey guys, what's up and welcome back to my channel. So I wanted to make this video because I get a lot of comments from the video that I made on Instagram, and if you don't follow me there, you should. But I get a lot of comments saying, wow, I never knew this was the way to do it. Don't know if this is a way to do it, but this is a way that really works. I've had my mom, my sister, my friends be like, wow, I tried that and it worked. Because a lot of times people are like, this stuff doesn't even work. This dry shampoo stuff is like not, it's fake. It's not real. It doesn't work. But it does, and I'll show you how I do it, and it definitely works this way. So if you would like to see how to use your dry shampoo and get it to work right, then just keep watching. Okay, so my hair is not the dirtiest it's ever been right now, but it definitely needs some dry shampoo in it. I feel like if I want to extend the life of this blowout for another couple days, I definitely need to put some dry shampoo in it. As some of you maybe know, I have extensions in my hair. So the way that I do it is going to be a little bit different than the way that you will do it, but I'm going to explain how to do it so we all do it somewhat the same. So of course you need some dry shampoo. I'm using the Batiste Instant Hair Refresh dry shampoo. This is in the scent Light and Breezy Fresh, which actually I really like this scent. I'm happy with it. When I was at Ulta picking this out, I was like, I don't know what smell is gonna be something I want on my head. This one smells good, so if you haven't ever tried this, I would definitely check it out. I got this at Ulta, but I think you could probably get Batiste at Walmart. You should probably check on that one. I don't really know. But I got this at Ulta, and I really, really like it. So the most important part in applying dry shampoo is sectioning your hair. And the reason for that is if you just take this bottle and spray it like this over the top of your head, you're going to be like, okay, so this is like, all right, but like, what about all of this and like over here and like whatever? It's not going to cover everything. So if you take small sections, I look literally crazy. If you take small sections, that will really, really help to kind of evenly distribute the product so that your hair is like actually looking clean at all, in all angles. So what I like to do first is I part my hair right here, and of course I have an extension right there, so that's kind of like crappy. So I'll part my hair like this. As you can see, there's my extension. So for you guys, you won't have an extension there probably, so there should be nothing here. I'm going to move my extension down because I don't want to spray any dry shampoo on it. So there is my section. So what you're going to do is take your dry shampoo. I look literally insane. Take your dry shampoo and spray it at the root. And then go on the other side and spray the other side. And I know a lot of people worry about the white cast, and I promise it's going to go away, but you need to leave it for a minute, okay? Okay. So then I'm going to take my next section, and for you guys, I would definitely section from here across like this, bring it up like that, but I've got extensions there, so I'm just going to take this little section right here that doesn't have extensions in it. That's kind of toward the back of my head. Do exactly the same thing. Spray right here and spray underneath. Just like that. Now, a part of my hair that really gets kind of gross is the side, and if you want to wear your hair up in like a pony or something like that, this is definitely going to be showing, so I would definitely do this step. Once again, my extensions are in the way, so I'm only going to be doing like a tiny little section, but you guys can section off this whole part right here like this and spray right here, spray this side, and spray this side. But for me, I only have these tiny little hairs, so I'm going to spray them. But you guys would take a lot bigger of a section. Not too big, but way bigger than this. So I'm going to spray this. Okay, cool. Also, I would recommend opening your door or like a window or like having the fan on, because after a couple sprays, it gets to be a little, can't breathy. All right, so I'm just going to do the other side. And if you guys are curious about my extensions, I'm going to do a whole video on that. Don't know if you want that, but I'm going to anyway, just so I can like talk about them and kind of explain like what I have on my head and why I have it. So anyway, if you're curious, I do plan on doing a video. And I also like to brush out the section just a little bit. I mean, my hair was like brushed prior, but if you haven't brushed your hair, definitely brush it so that there's no like tangles or knots or anything weird. So once again, spray the hair. And with this method, I feel like use less spray because you're not like trying to get a big chunk of hair to be clean at once. You're taking little sections, and that helps you not be able to use so much product, and it's like works way better. Does that make sense? So I'm going to take this part again. Once again, for you guys, take this whole part right here. And you can go all the way down your head if you want, but I feel like most of the time when you're putting dry shampoo in your hair, you're just kind of like doing it so the top of your head looks clean when it's not, you know? So right here, there. And then I like to do the back of my head. So I don't really have much hair back there that's not under an extension. But I'll take this part right here, brush it up, spray the back, spray the front. Cool. Oops, missed one. Gotta do over here. These tiny little hairs. And you can even do this on the bottom of your head if you're going to wear your hair like up in a ponytail and you don't want it to be gross down there too. You can like put your hair up in a ponytail, section off the bottom, and spray the top and the bottom of the hairs at the nape of your neck if you want to do that too. Also, would recommend doing this without your makeup on because if you accidentally spray your face, it's going to be a little white, you know? Okay, so now that we have our hair sprayed, looking fabulous, just leave it and you're done. I'm kidding. Okay, so what you want to do and what I do is I stick my hand into where I sprayed and I like go in. I really rub the product into my scalp and kind of go from all angles so that everything is really rubbed in. So do that. And any place I see it looking still kind of like white, I like to rub it in as much as possible. And if you guys went over to my Instagram, I do have a video where I show you how to put dry shampoo in your hair, and my hair is a lot dirtier than it is now, so the difference is like way more dramatic. Maybe I'll insert like the video or like a picture right here. And I know this takes like a little bit longer, but really you're gonna get a better result. Okay, so now that everything is like rubbed out, I'm going to take my brush, and for me this is a little bit difficult because I've got so many like extensions in the way, but for you guys this will be super easy. Just brush through your hair as many times until you feel like it's really even, everything is clear and not white and looking good. Alright, and when you're done, just part your hair the way that it goes, and voila! Your hair should be looking super clean, and you should be ready to do anything, go anywhere, and take on the day. I really hope you guys liked this video. I hope you learned something. I hope you are just enlightened on the way that you can put dry shampoo in your hair so that it really actually works. This is a trick I use probably a little too much, but it's essential in my hair routine, so I really hope that you guys liked it and took something from it. If you guys want to see more hair videos and kind of like quick tips and tricks, head over and follow me on Instagram because I do a ton of little mini hair videos and stuff that I do plan on doing kind of longer videos here on YouTube for, but in the meantime, there's tons of them over there, so if you are into that kind of thing, you can go check that out. I want to thank you guys so much for watching. If you liked this video, please give it a big, huge thumbs up, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel if you want to see more videos like this. You can also hit that bell button down there so that you're notified anytime I post so you never miss a video. Why would you want to miss a video? Thanks so much again for watching, and I will see you in my next video. Bye!
Yeah, it's just me and you.